you ever wondered how your car key fob actually works? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of modern car key fobs. These small devices have revolutionized the way we access and start our vehicles, offering convenience and security that traditional keys simply can't match. In this video, we'll break down the technology behind key fobs, explore their main features, and explain why they're so much more than just a remote control for your car. Let's get started by understanding what makes these devices tick. Car key fob is a small handheld device that communicates wirelessly with your vehicle. Unlike traditional keys which require physical contact, key fobs use radio frequency signals to perform various functions. Most modern fobs can lock and unlock doors, open the trunk, and even start the engine remotely. The compact design fits easily in your pocket or bag, making it a practical everyday tool. But what's happening inside this little gadget? Let's take a closer look at its core components. Inside every key fob, you'll find a tiny circuit board, a battery, and a small radio transmitter. The circuit board houses the microchip that stores unique codes for your car. The battery powers the device while the transmitter sends signals to your vehicle. When you press a button, the fob sends a coded message to your car receiver. Only if the codes match will the car respond. This combination of hardware ensures both convenience and security for car owners. Magic of key fobs lies in radio frequency RF technology. When you press a button, the fob emits a specific RF signal. Your car is constantly listening for this signal, but it will only respond if the code is correct. This wireless communication allows you to lock or unlock your car from a distance, sometimes even through walls or windows. RF technology is reliable and fast, making it the backbone of modern keyless entry systems. Prevent thieves from intercepting and reusing your key fob signal. Most modern systems use rolling codes. This means that every time you press a button, the code changes in a way that only your car and fob can predict. Even if someone captures the signal, it won't work the next time. This technology greatly enhances security and keeps your vehicle safe from unauthorized access. Any new cars feature passive entry systems, which allow you to unlock your car without even pressing a button. As you approach, the car detects the presence of your fob using low-frequency signals. If the fob is close enough, the doors unlock automatically. This hands-free convenience is especially useful when your hands are full, and it's made possible by advanced sensors and communication protocols. Push-button start is another innovation enabled by modern key fobs. When your fob is inside the car, the vehicle's system verifies its presence. If everything checks out, you can start the engine with a simple push of a button, no need to insert a key. This feature adds both convenience and a touch of futuristic flair to your driving experience. Key fobs offer remote start, allowing you to start your car's engine from a distance. This is especially handy on cold mornings or hot afternoons, as you can precondition the cabin before getting in. The fob sends a secure signal to the car, which then starts the engine while keeping the doors locked. This feature combines comfort with security, making your daily routine a bit smoother. Most key fobs include extra features like trunk release and a panic button. With a simple press, you can pop open the trunk or trigger your car's alarm in an emergency. These functions are designed for convenience and safety, giving you quick access or drawing attention when needed. The fob's versatility makes it an essential part of modern car ownership. Key fobs are powered by small batteries, usually coin cells. Over time, these batteries will need to be replaced. Most fobs are designed for easy battery changes. Just pop open the case and swap in a new one. If your fob starts working intermittently or loses range, it's probably time for a fresh battery. Keeping your fob powered ensures you always have reliable access to your car. Losing your key fob can be stressful, but most car manufacturers have solutions. Many vehicles come with backup keys or emergency procedures to regain access. Some cars allow you to program a new fob, though this often requires a visit to the dealership for security reasons. It's always a good idea to keep a spare fob in a safe place just in case. All key fobs are generally secure. They're not immune to hacking. Thieves can use relay attacks to capture and extend your fob signal, tricking your car into unlocking. To protect yourself, consider storing your fob in a signal-blocking pouch or case when not in use. Manufacturers are continually improving security features to stay ahead of potential threats. Some automakers are taking things a step further by allowing your smartphone to act as a key. Using Bluetooth or NFC technology, your phone can unlock and start your car, often through a dedicated app. This digital key can be shared with others and managed remotely, adding a new layer of convenience and flexibility to car access. Future of car key fobs is bright, with ongoing advancements in security, convenience, and integration. We can expect even smarter features such as biometric authentication and seamless connectivity with smart home devices. As cars become more connected, key fobs will continue to evolve, making our driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Summary: modern car key fobs are marvels of technology, blending convenience, security, and innovation into a tiny package. From radio frequency communication to rolling codes and remote start, these devices have transformed the way we interact with our vehicles. As technology continues to advance, key fobs will only become smarter and more secure. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of car key fobs.